Hello friends, today we'll discuss questions related to the passage that is being given in this particular video. So before we start, I would like to say that there are certain instructions you need to follow. So we have provided the passage in the description, okay, because it's quite difficult to provide it in one slide in the video because it will appear too small to read. Okay, this is the sole reason why I provided the passage in the description section. So what you have to do is to read the passage and then try to answer the question. So try to read the passage once or twice and answer all the questions. Okay, don't keep on revisiting the passage. That won't actually help you to improve your reading speed. So I hope you are done with the passage. Now let us take you to the question section. Good luck.
So the first question says, which of the following statement is or are correct in the context of the passage in regard to development schemes? 1. All people are of the opinion that women should be given special status. Number 2. No one feels that women should be given special status. Number 3. There is no controversy regarding women being given special status. So as you can see, there are 5 options, only 1, only 2, only 3, all the 3 or none of this. So which one you think is correct? So the correct answer of this question is option E, none of this. Okay, so moving to the next question. Which of the following is not put forward by the author of the passage as a defect of the report? And there are 5 options again. They highlight the problems of Indian women. They contain outdated statistical data. The reports have not suggested any new measures. Option D, some of the suggestions in the reports are superficial. Or option E, the reports are not analytical. So the correct answer of this question is option A, they highlight the problems of Indian women. So moving to the next question. Which of the following is specifically put forward as a reason for the unequal sex ratio in the population? A. Natural causes. B. Economic development. C. Literacy level and healthcare. D. Socio-economic programs. Or E. Poverty alleviation programs. So the correct answer of this question is option C. Literacy level and healthcare. Moving to the next question. So this is the question. Which of the following is false according to the passage? Number 1. The problem of women in general is attracting attention the world over. Option 2. Indian people do not love their children as much as they should. Option 3. Right from independence, women have been receiving special attention for development. So which one of the following is false? Remember, not true. As you can see, again there are 5 options. Only 1, only 2, only 3, only 2 and 3, or only 1 and 2. Decide. So the correct answer of this question is option D, only 2 and 3. So moving to the next question. Which of the following would correctly reflect the tone of the author of the passage to the two reports mentioned in the first paragraph? So the correct answer of this question is option B, critical. So moving to the next question. Which of the following is conveying the same meaning as the word mark as is used in the passage? So the correct answer of this question is option A, symbolize. So moving to the next question. So why has, according to the passage, the legislation prohibiting dowry failed in India? Option A, due to cultural ethos in the country. Option B, because of the fact that it was passed as law. Option C, no social organizations were involved as law. Option D, literacy rate among women is poor. Or option E, these are not mentioned in the passage. So the correct answer of this question is option E, reason not mentioned in the passage. So moving to the next question. Which of the following is true in the context of the passage? Option A, some development programs have failed in India. Option B, all development programs and schemes are generally a success. Option C, Indian women do not manage their finances well. Option D, women literacy programs are held all over India. Or option E, culturally Indians do not love their children. Remember which one is true. So the correct answer of this question is option A, some development programs have failed in India. So moving to the next question. Choose the word that is most similar in meaning, and the word is target. Remember, it should be in the context of the passage. So the correct answer of this question is Option C, quota. So moving to the next question. Choose the word that is most similar in meaning and go to bed hungry. The correct answer of this question is option D, undernourishment. Moving to the 11th question. Which of the following has not been mentioned as necessary in one of the reports to start a new social order? Option A, prevent hunger of children. Option B, prevent disease in children. Option C, community care of children. Option D, all of this have been mentioned in the report. Or option E, none of this. So the correct answer of this question is option C, community care of children. Moving to the 12th question. So why does the author say that the reports are unable to convey a fresh understanding to the issues? Is it because the problems are dealt with superficiality? Or option B, outdated data are used in the reports? Option C, some of the development schemes are not dealt with? Option D, Indian problems cannot be understood by foreigners? Or option E, none of this? So the correct answer of this question is option B, outdated data are used in the reports. Moving to the next question. Choose the word that is most opposite in meaning. Remember, opposite, not similar. And the word is innovative. I hope it is easy. And the correct answer of this question is option A, obsolete. So moving to the next question. Choose the word that is most opposite in meaning. And the word is highlight. So the correct answer of this question is option B, underplay. Remember, opposite. So moving to the last question, that is the 15th question. So choose the word that is most opposite in meaning. And the word is availability. It's quite easy, I guess. Yes, of course, the correct answer of this question is option D, scarcity. So I hope you all have enjoyed this session. So if you have enjoyed this session, then do subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you and have a nice day. We'll be bringing more and more videos related to all the relevant topics in the future. Thank you and have a nice day.